So why do I favor Ethereum over Bitcoin in terms of trading? Well, look at it like this. Ethereum seems to respect levels really well. Okay. Now, if you look at Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame and then you look at Ethereum on the 1 hour time frame, you kind of understand that it looks like Bitcoin does a better job of holding certain moving averages. Okay. But the thing is, when you've got Bitcoin holding above the 800 EMA and it's solidified as a move that could potentially happen to the upside, okay? When you look at Ethereum, you kind of look at it and say, hold on a second, price has deviated away from the moving average, all right? And it's an anomaly in the move because Ethereum originally was trading upwards, okay? So what would I need to see to really solidify Ethereum's move up and away from the range? You see, Ethereum in its range right here, okay, moved before Bitcoin did.